Okay, this is Gizmo with the cat's meow. Go ahead, press it, Mikey. Press it. Get away! Oh, stop! Leave him alone. Leave him alone, Mikey. Stop screaming. Press the button. Press the button.
Nathan.
Don't push him.
Move.
Press it. Okay.
Nathan is on it.
Okay, just Nathan, watch out, Bubbles. Let him. It's for Gizmo. Press it, Mikey. No, no, no. Like it. It's for Gizmo. Look at Bella. Yeah, but y'all just stop pressing the button. It'll do it by itself.
Nathan, move so he could move. Nathan, can you move and stop pushing the button, Nathan?
Yeah, Nathan, leave the button alone. Come here. Don't press the button. Is it on?
Yeah.
Gizmo. Y'all are scaring him.